Hi guys, welcome back. Margot,
Yeah.
we're here again. What do we want to do?
A frog.
A frog. Oh, it has to be cute as usual.
Yes. Always cute.
Always cute. Okay, so let's see. If we go with a frog, we could have one that it's actually a sort of a circle for the body. So let's say we do a big one here, and we go on the other side, and we do another big one here. So let's make it a little better, just because I went a little out. Then we could have the space for the eyes here, like that, and close it obviously so it's sort of a circle. And then we have the legs that could be like one here and the other one here, and now the back legs as well, that could be very cute, like 1 and 2 and 3, and here as well we can do 1 and 2 and 3, and that's very good. Now frogs usually have a little bit of like circles on the skin. They can be the way that you want, actually it could be everywhere. And now let's go with a very simple face. We have the mouth in the middle, like just that, and 2 little eyes, one in here, the other one in here. And let's see, we could have, Margot, how's it called, the leaf where the frogs have? No, the leaf. When you see, you usually call them when you see those leaves floating in the lake or in the pond. Then I don't remember. Oh.
Guys, if you know what they're called, please tell me.
Yeah.
Lily pads.
Lily pads. Yes, the lily
Thank
pads.
you, guys.
Okay, and we have a little bit of, some shape here and there, just to say that it's in the water, and a little bit like that. Okay. Should we do the cheeks on this one as well?
Yeah, they always have to have cheeks.
So let's put the 3 lines as usual in here. Make it cuter, and we go with the pink as well. Okay, just the eyes to be black because they feel empty this way. Okay. What do you think, Margot?
Nice.
Nice. Okay. So we consider
Pretty cute.
pretty cute, yeah.
So, like, it's pretty and it's cute. That's what pretty cute means.
Fair enough. So, are we going to close it this way?
Yeah, but we have to do something else after.
Oh yeah, we will do something else. Okay, guys. I hope you like it, and see you in our next drawing.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye.